10-point circle is there. So 10-point circle means in addition, so we have the small trick is there. So easy to identify or easy to add the numbers. So in this 10-point circle, just once observe in this circle. In this circle, once you see that, is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. So the 10 values are there. Now I am going to see that if I am going to add this 9 plus 1, how much it is a 10. Then what about the 8 plus 2? If I am going to add 8 plus 2 is also 10. Then what about the 7 plus 3 is also 10. And then 6 plus 4 is also 10. See here. So 9 plus 1 is a 10. 8 plus 2 is a 10, 7 plus 3 is a 10, and 6 plus 4 is also 10, and 5 plus 5 is also 10. That's what I'm going to write here. So 9 plus 1 is equals to 10, 8 plus 2 is equals to 10, and 7 plus 3 is equals to 10, and 6 plus 4 is also equals to 10. Then 5 plus 5 is also equals to 10. Okay, in this values, if any other 2 digits I will add, then it make it as a 10? No. Because, so any number you can see that 6 plus 2, okay, is not a 10. And 8 plus 2 only 10. Then 7 plus 2 is not a 10. So any number you can take that any 2 numbers, if you add, then it is not a 10 value other than this. So either it is a 9 plus 1 or 8 plus 2. So 7 plus 3, 6 plus 4, 5 plus 5 only. More than this. So no number, no 2 digits will add the, you won't get 10 value. So then, okay, for example, yes, how to do that trick? What is the trick we can use it? Simple logic. If I am going to say that 95 plus 5. So all people know this directly is a 100. Okay, good. I am going to say that. See, what is the meaning of this one? 5 plus 5. Once you see that. So if we feel it is a 0, 5. 0, 5 is nothing but so 5 only. So that last, if you consider that is a place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands position, same as is. See that the positions of the 5, 5, we already know the 10, then 90, and one more thing, see here this is a 5, here the 5 plus 5, 10, 90 plus 0, 90, 90 plus 10, 90 plus 5 plus 5, 10, now 100. So it look like a simple one. Now simple one more example I want to say that. So 35 plus 15. Most of the people they may confuse if they ask the fast way. If I ask fast what is the 35 plus 15 means, most of the people they said the wrong answer. See, once you see here the positions, once you see the 5 and 5 is the one's position, right? Then I am going to add. We already know that is a 10. We will just keep in our mind. And next one, so 3 plus 1 is a 4. But what is the value? What is the place value of this one? And 1 and 3, it's a 10th position. Means, so 10th position. That's why, so 30 plus 10, 40. Okay. The next one is a 5 plus 5. Already know that 10. That's why it's a 50 answer. So 35 plus 15 it became as a 40 plus 10 means it is a 50. We are going to get it.